Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. I'm Anna.
And I'm Tom. We're happy you were here today.
Today's topic is very important. We are learning how to ask questions in English.
Yes, asking questions helps you talk to people. It helps you make friends. It helps you learn more English.
Don't worry. We will go slowly. We will repeat a lot.
You don't need perfect English. Just listen, try, and enjoy.
If you like this podcast, please like, share, and subscribe. It really helps us.
Okay, let's start learning together. Part 1. Yes, no questions.
First, let's learn yes or no questions.
These questions are easy. The answer is yes or no.
Listen carefully. Do you like coffee?
Good question. You can answer, yes, I do, or no, I don't.
Let's repeat together. Do you like coffee?
Good job. Now another example. Do you live near here?
You can say, yes, I do, or no, I don't.
Very nice. Simple and natural.
Listen again. Do you like tea?
Now think. Answer in your head.
Great. You're practicing.
Part 2. Using do you. Many questions start with do you.
For example, do you work here?
Do you study English?
Let's repeat slowly. Do you study English?
Nice. You are improving already. Part 3. Questions with what.
Now let's use what.
What asks about things.
Listen. What is your name?
That's a very common question.
You can answer. My name is Anna.
Another example. What do you do?
You can say, I am a student, or I work in a shop.
Simple. Real. Useful.
Repeat after me. What do you do?
Good job. Part 4. Questions with where. Now let's ask about places.
We use where.
Example. Where do you live?
You can answer, I live near here, or I live in a small city.
Very natural English.
Part 5. Questions with why. Why asks for a reason.
Listen, why do you like English?
You can say, because it is useful, or because I like it.
Short answers are okay. Simple is good.
Part 6. Polite questions. Now something important. Let's be polite.
Polite English sounds friendly.
Listen, can you help me?
Very nice.
Another one. Can I ask a question?
That's a great question.
People like polite questions.
Part 7. Real-life mini-dialogues. Now let's listen to short conversations. Dialogue 1.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Yes, sure.
Where is the shop?
It's near here. Dialogue 2. Hi, do you work here?
Yes, I do.
Great. Can I ask a question?
Of course. Let's listen again. Focus on the questions.
You're doing great. Part 8. Common mistakes. Gently.
Small tip.
Don't worry about mistakes.
It's okay to say, can you help?
Perfect English is not needed. Clear English is good English.
Part 9. Daily practice questions. Try these questions every day.
Repeat them often.
What is this?
Where is it?
Can you help me?
Do you like this?
Simple questions. Big confidence. Part 10. Review questions. Easy start. Okay, Tom, let's start again. Slowly.
Yes. Let's review simple questions.
Listen carefully. Do you like coffee?
Good. This is a yes or no question.
Repeat with us. Do you like coffee?
Nice. Answer in your head.
Yes, you are doing it. Good job. Part 11. Do you questions. Daily life.
Many questions start with do you.
These questions are very useful. Do you work here?
You can say, yes, I do, or no, I don't.
Repeat slowly. Do you work here?
Great. Very natural English.
Another one. Do you study English?
Of course you do. Listen again.
Do you study English?
Think. Answer quietly.
Perfect. Part 12. What questions? Things and people.
Now let's ask with what.
What asks about things or information? What is your name?
Easy and common.
You can answer, my name is Anna.
Repeat with us.
What is your name? Very good. Part 13. What do you do?
This question is very important.
What do you do?
It means work or study.
Answers can be simple. I am a student. I work in a shop. I work at home.
Simple English is perfect English.
Part 14. Where questions. Places. Now let's talk about places.
We use where. Where do you live?
You can answer, I live near here. I live in a small town.
Repeat slowly.
Where do you live? Nice and clear. Part 15. Practice dialogue. Very slow. Let's practice together.
Listen first.
Excuse me.
Yes?
Can I ask a question?
Yes, of course.
Where is the shop?
It's near here.
Now listen again.
focus on the questions.
Part 16. Why questions. Reasons.
Now we use why.
Why asks for a reason. Why do you like English?
You can say, because it is useful, because I like it.
Short answers are okay.
Very okay.
Part 17. Polite questions. Very important. Let's be polite.
Polite English sounds kind.
Can you help me?
That's a great question.
Another polite question. Can I ask something?
People like this question.
Part 18. Daily small questions.
Let's practice small questions. Repeat after us.
What is this?
Where is it?
Can you help me?
Do you like this?
Very good. Part 20. Real conversation practice.
Now a real lifestyle talk.
Hi.
Hi.
Do you work here?
Yes, I do.
Can you help me?
Sure.
Listen again.
Notice the questions.
Part 21. Don't worry.
Some learners feel shy. That's normal.
Mistakes are okay.
Questions help you learn. Try again and again.
Part 22. Repeat and build confidence.
Let's repeat together.
Do you like English?
What do you do?
Where do you live?
Can you help me?
Excellent. Part 23. Final practice. Slow and clear. Listen, then repeat. Can I ask a question?
Good.
Where is this place?
Nice.
Why do you like it? Perfect.
Part 23. Warm practice start. Okay, let's continue.
Yes, let's start slowly.
Take a deep breath. Relax.
You don't need perfect English. You just need practice.
Listen carefully. Can I ask a question?
Very good. This is polite English.
Repeat with us. Can I ask a question?
Nice. Good job.
Part 24. Confidence questions. Now let's build confidence.
Short questions are powerful.
Listen. Is this okay?
Simple question. Very useful.
Repeat. Is this okay?
Excellent.
Part 25. Is this/is that? We often ask about things.
We say, is this?
Example. Is this your bag?
You can answer, yes it is. Or, no it isn't.
Repeat slowly. Is this your bag?
Perfect.
Part 26. Can I questions. Now polite action questions.
Very common in real life.
Listen. Can I sit here?
Nice and polite.
Another one. Can I try this?
Very natural.
Listen again. Can I try this?
Think about the answer.
Great. You are learning. Part 27. Short answers practice.
Answers can be short.
Short is okay.
Question. Do you like tea?
Answer. Yes, I do.
Or, no I don't.
Repeat answers. Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Very clear.
Part 28. Real life shop conversation. Now a real life situation.
Listen first.
Excuse me.
Yes?
Can I ask a question?
Yes, sure.
Is this available?
Yes, it is.
Listen again.
Focus on the questions.
Part 29. What about? Now a friendly question.
What about is very common.
Example. What about this one?
Good question.
Repeat. What about this one?
Nice and natural.
Part 30. Asking for help. Asking for help is important.
And easy.
Can you help me?
Perfect question.
Another one. Can you show me?
Very useful English.
Part 31. Friendly small talk questions. Now friendly questions.
For daily conversations.
How are you?
Simple and kind.
You can answer. I'm fine. I'm good.
Short answers are great.
Part 32. How questions. Easy. How asks about condition or way.
Listen. How is this?
You can say, it's good. It's nice.
Very simple.
Part 33. Practice loop. Repeat. Repeat with us. Is this okay?
Can I try this?
Can you help me?
What about this?
Excellent work. Part 34. Common mistakes. No pressure.
Don't worry about mistakes.
Everyone makes mistakes.
The goal is communication.
Questions help you speak. Part 35. Real conversation. Friends. Listen to friends talking.
Hi.
Hi.
Is this your seat?
Yes, it is.
Can I sit here?
Sure. Listen again.
Notice how easy it sounds.
Part 36. Building habit. Practice questions every day.
Just a few.
Simple questions are best.
Confidence comes slowly.
Part 37. Speed practice. Answer quickly in your head. Is this good?
Nice.
Can I ask something?
Great.
Do you like this?
Perfect.
Part 38. Polite ending questions. Now polite endings.
Very friendly.
Is that okay?
Great question.
Is this fine?
Very natural.
Part 39. Long practice dialogue. Listen carefully. Excuse me.
Yes.
Can you ask something?
Yes.
Is this okay?
Yes, it is.
Can you help me?
Of course.
Listen again.
You are doing great.
Part 40. Self-encouragement. Say this in your head.
I can ask questions.
I am learning English.
I am improving.
Good job. Part 41. Final review questions.
Let's review.
Repeat with us. Can I ask a question?
Is this okay?
What about this?
Can you help me?
Excellent.
Great.
Wrap up.
Great work today.
Let's recap.
You learned how to ask questions.
You learned, do you?
What?
Where?
Why?
Can you?
You listened. You repeated. You practiced.
That's how English grows.
Now it's your turn.
Tell us in the comments. What is the first thing you do in the morning?
We want to hear from you.
Keep practicing.
You're doing amazing.
See you next time.
Bye.